2015 Kia Sorento 2.4. Today I'm going to replace the engine oil. So the car is on the left. You can use some jacks. You can put a jack right here and right here, or a jack right here. Okay. And so we need to remove those clips. Okay. Right here, and right here is the oil filter, and remove these clips here. Push this in, and here is the drain plug. Okay, to remove this one we're going to use a 17. So here, and okay, just let it drain for about 10 minutes. So we're going to remove the filter, and you can stick your hand here. Alright, so start this one, and we're gonna torque this one at 30 foot-pounds. So I got my torque here, and I'm gonna torque this at 30 foot-pounds. Alright, so now we're gonna clean it. Okay. And we're gonna reinstall this little cover. Alright, for the filter, I got a filter here. There's the filter number. So you're gonna get some oil to lubricate the O-ring. Just install it. It's supposed to tie this at 16 foot-pounds, but just do a hand tie. I'll get a rack. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna just reinstall this cover here. There you go. So double check, make sure everything is good. Yep. Alright. So on all data it says the oil capacity is 5.1 quarts. So we're gonna adjust 5 quarts the whole thing. This is a full synthetic 5W20 for high mileage. two. Yeah. So now we're gonna go in there and we're gonna reset the oil.